We are over here. Maharashtra Nature Udyan Sanstha. Let's see. We're gonna buy a ticket and then we'll go inside. Till that time, we are going to see some flowers. See my butterfly, red butterfly. And this is some kind of flowers. I don't know which ones. Huh? Okay. Okay. Wow, what are those purple flowers? Wow. It's the same one in different shades. That's a marigold. These are roses. I don't know which ones are these. They have a lovely nursery also over here, and these are the plants. There are many plants. Wide lead wall.
There is one more group, so I thought you are from that group.
Are you a guide?
Yes.
So can you give us a tour or something like that?
So this is Utranjiva, cactus and cinnamon. Shaman says cinnamon tree. This is black pepper coconut, which I have seen. This is light blue butterfly pea, and I also got to see a beautiful insect. See? Oh, see? It's a bee. अंदर जाके बैठ गया ये तो. Mango. Great okay, so the plant which I have is great basil in my home. I have this one. I think it's the same one. Let me just check. Yeah. I have this in my home. And common grape myrtle. Achha, grape myrtle? Ajay, ये मेहंदी है. I think so. This is common rue. Oh. Allspice. Tan 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 tan. Tan 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 tan. This is me. Tulsi. Lemon. So some tiny lemons over there. Oh, khaskhas. Dinner plate tree. Oh, we have it over there in Virar. Nirgundi, lenient chaste tree. I don't know what this is. Nirgundi, huh? See this. So pretty, no? Now this is what it is called butterfly garden, okay? This is how it should be, filled with flowers and everything. See? There's a butterfly also over here. And we are going over here. There's 36 acres of land to be discovered by me and us, actually. All of us. We are going there. See. So we are over here at the garden, and you see over here. See, this is near Dharavi. Okay, and it's 36 acres of land, and we are over here. So we are going to explore, and there are so many flowers over here. My God, ये butterfly तो खुश हो गई, मेरे घर आ गई मैं. So I'm so happy. I finally found my butterfly garden. It's not a garden. It's 36 acres of land, so much land, forest land, and I'm going in the butterfly garden now. See you. See, there's butterflies. Wow. Ah. Now this is what it is.
Beautiful. What a color.
Oh my!
It's coming near me.
It's coming near me.
It's white and orange and I don't know what colors. It's set, finally set. Uh-oh.
Hello.
Where did it go away? See, these are the butterflies found over here, and we just saw this one. It's called great orange tip, and I think we also saw the small salmon Arab. Wow, see how beautiful it is. Bamboo. These are all medicinal plants. Let's see, let's explore. See, these are lantana plants, and there's a group over here. They are enjoying the view.
Area is called a butterfly garden, and other side is an astral garden. The plants are planted according to zodiac. You
Wow.
go this side, there is a rainwater harvesting pond, and the other side is a creek area. There are three ways. This is the end one, and there is a center one, wooded area, and the first is from a watchman side. So all these three ways go to the nursery, and end of the park there is a nursery, a medicinal plant area, and a vermicompost. So
This is the butterfly garden.
It's called Mithi River.
Okay. Hey, eagle, eagle, eagle. See? Wow. So many eagles over here. There are so many butterflies also over here. You wanna see? Hey, butterfly, butterfly. See, see, see. Sorry, sorry, girl, sorry. There's cosmos plants over there, and there's lots of other plants. Roses. Oh, mimosa. Oopsie. See. You wanna see? See, closed. It's a mimosa plant. Roses, roses, roses again. So many roses. Wow. I just love this place. Peacock flower. This is peacock flower. The orange variety. Hey, and two butterflies. Tiny ones. Karanj. This is butterfly weed. See, this is butterfly weed. Butterflies just love this flower. It's a host plant for butterflies, and there is a small insect over here as well. See how lucky of me to find it over here. I think we already came over here. This is um, some diabetes plant. It also is flowering right now. See? Hey, small butterfly again. So many butterflies are roaming just like that over here. Everywhere. See?
Shaman.
There was a nice butterfly over here. I don't know where it went away. A greenish one. There's this eagle. Yeah. See, this eagle is so nearby. It's making circles. Yeah. I saw two butterflies. They were chasing each other. So many eagles in the sky. See? See, there is a black butterfly over there. See, I told you they love lantana flowers. See this butterfly? I don't even know the name of the butterfly. Who cares? Chal. full of owls. Ah. See these flowers. Marigold, marigold. It's not an Indian variety of marigold. I think it's a Russian marigold or whatever. These are, I forgot, Torino or something. I don't know the names of all the flowers. I know the names of some flowers. Avda, 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 avda. That's a avla tree. Oh, yucca. See how big that is, yucca. This is also avda. This is Indian avda, chotu khatumda. And that is the big avla. Gooseberries. And let's see what else we have got. Oh, Nag Kesar. This is a Nag Kesar tree. Nag Tsapa, Nag Champa. And this is what is this? Kashmir stag. Owls. Flying colors. So nice. They've done it in a butterfly. Butterflies in a butterfly. Oh, this looks so artificial. Poinsettia, I think. But they are real. Real plants, right? These are all house plants, which I'm not interested in. But still, they are plants. Hey, my totem animal, my spirit animal, Bengal tiger.
What?
Bengal tiger, see?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, what is this? Vultures?
Yeah, these are all of our vultures. I like this one. Egyptian vulture.
Huh. And what are these?
Hey, look at this one. See, like owls. They're all about the owls.
Yeah, I saw that. Now I'm going to see over here. Oh, this is क्या नाम है इसका? लिली, स्नेक लिली. क्या बोलते हैं यार, नाम भूल गई. कोबरा लिली. या कोबरा लिली. This is begonia, 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 begonia. Won't grow too much over here. Needs a lot of care as well. See this, so beautiful. This is the entrance, and see how beautifully they have displayed it. This is gate number 2. Poinsettia, cobra lilies, and some other plants. Let's see. I want to take a nice picture of this one. So beautiful. Okay, let's see over here. See, so nicely displayed here as well. हाँ 2 मिनट रुक आई. Ah, so pretty. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. Oops. And I am back at the cobra lilies. And see,